drops, right? The simplistic form of loading power, right? How do I load it? How do I absorb force, right? Every time I pull off in the ground, I absorb force. So here we're gonna learn how to absorb that force and be as explosive as we can, because if you load it and you load it properly, now you can create more, right? If you load it improperly, now you have to redistribute your body weight to create more, and it takes time that we can't get back, right? So we're gonna load here. All we're doing is stepping off, loading, boom. We'll get 3 reps just like that. On the 4th one, we're gonna load and burst out. I want you to give me a release like a receiver. I want you to give me load, crossover run, DB. Good. On my toes, right? Keep the ball on my feet. Good. Good. Set up your lightning 3 technique. Shoulder and go. Good. Go. Good, thank you. Time to get a release. All right, do 1 this way and 2 this way, so you get a total of 3 reps. So this one's this way. Step off, still win. Stick, boom. Good job. Step off. Good job. Hey, remember, I want to land on both because we're talking about that coming to balance, right? 2-way go, always. Good. Yes, sir. Low. Hey, 2 pogos and a big jump, all right? So load, load, explode. Load, load, explode, all the way through. Good, 2 pogos and a jump, pop. 2 pogos and a jump, pop. Good. Oh. All right, so right here we're working on creating output power through the ground. So I want to push off this leg that's here, right? So we talk about our weight distribution in our stance. When I'm here and I'm trying to project everything that way, I gotta have 85%, right? 85-ish% of my weight loaded here, 15 back here, right? If I jump off one leg, I'm not gonna go as far. So that's why we load it here. This leg's gotta get fully extended and push and drive and be violent out. I'm trying to cover as much ground as I can that way. But it's still important and imperative that I push off both legs. Majority of my power is coming through this leg, 'cause this is my lead leg, but I still gotta have some juice from this back leg. Good. There you go, that was better. So now, left knee on the line. All right, left knee on the ground. Now we're applying those same mechanics, right? So shin angle's loaded, make sure I'm in a positive direction. Back leg's loaded, right? We still talk about 85-15. Now I want us to compete. So apply it. We're going 5 yards. It's not about winning the 100-yard dash. It's about winning the 5-yard race right here in football sometimes. So who can beat me from A to B? All right, so stay down, on my go, compete against each other. First out, cover 5. All right, here we go. Go. Yes, sir! It can't pop up, it's out. Everything you want is forward, right? So shin angle, everything has to be in alignment of the direction I want to go. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Oh, yes, sir. This is where we let them compete. So this is where we let them really tap into the cognitive juices of reacting, but also being explosive, but training the same aspects that we just trained from a linear standpoint of power output. So put them on the line, let them compete, but still focus on those same aspects that we just worked on with our plyometric jumps. And go! Yes, sir!